Hello, I'm Ben. You're watching Music for Androids, and this is Redemption for the £6 metal detector. Okay, in the last video we made this £6 metal detector which didn't work. I received a comment from Tim's project, which I will put here. A suggestion for a fix, implemented it, and it works. So now we can complete the test we couldn't finish last time. We're already picking up metal. So, as you can see, it now works. The problem was this potentiometer was set too high, so it's giving a constant false reading. If you remember if you saw the previous video, you'll remember this LED was on permanently, and it was set. This was set too high, so it's constantly picking up. Well, thinking it was picking it up, and then combined with that, this buzzer wasn't working. I took this buzzer off and replaced it with this one, which now works. And we have a pair of a metal detector. So yeah, better change my score. I think it's now good. I'm not sure how good it is. Let's see if we can pick up this bit of plastic. So you couldn't really go treasure hunting with it, unfortunately. But it's a bit of fun. And for £6, I don't think we can go too wrong with that, can we? Yeah, so I think the new result is give it a go. It was a fun little build. If you get one, remember this potentiometer needs to be set to just where the LED goes off, and then it should work. And also, if it's not making any sound, there's a good chance that buzzer's gone. I was lucky; I've got a couple kicking about, so we were able to sort that out. So yeah, thanks for watching, and well, catch you next time.